how you make it on YouTube is ultimately determined by success, or rather, your definition of success. What others consider to be a success may not be your idea of success or someone else's idea. It may be too small or too big or completely irrelevant to what you're trying to achieve. Here's an example. I consider myself successful because I wanted to get 100,000 views and I got that. Now my next step is to get 500 subscribers and at some point a play button. Your goal is probably going to be different. I know some people would say, oh, 100,000 views, well that's nothing. Other people will be like, 100,000 views, that's incredible. They're both right. It's nothing and it's incredible. It's an incredible nothing. See, there is no right or wrong definition here. There is no right or wrong goal. Now, a lot of people consider success to be full-time YouTube, and full-time YouTube comes in two different ways. You either make exceptionally great videos, or you do what's called the grind, slowly just build up your audience over time. There's nothing wrong with either of these, but they can both be difficult to pull off. See, there's nothing wrong with either of these, but if you're anything like me, both of those are kind of difficult to pull off. I like making videos, but I'm terrible at it. I just am. And fortunately, I don't let that break me down, and I keep talking to you guys. I'm not gonna lie, there's some days I really don't think I'm going anywhere, and other days I'm like, yes, I'm definitely gonna make it to the top. You just gotta keep going. Great content also doesn't have to take a ton of work. Kinda like how you've seen some of my videos, if it's extremely entertaining, educational, or relatable, people will watch. It's like a friend hanging out, and that goes a long way.
Hey, it's me, Shards. Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to click this one over here. I'm sure you're gonna love it. I'll see you over there. Don't forget to subscribe.